This product seems like a great deal, but is it really worth it? Hi everybody, I'm Basso Contour. Stay tuned, let's check it out. Well, this is what the product looks like right out of the box, and the material seems pretty solid. It's almost like canvas, and yeah, it uses cheap plastic fittings, but for the small price, that seems okay. Well, this was a minor inconvenience. When I first turned on the hose, it turns out the end piece was not fastened properly, but it just took a minute to get that straightened out, as you can see here. So far, so good. Here's the final layout with my 25-foot hose, and I sort of did a funny little squiggle pattern right here, and seems to be working pretty well. Now, 25 feet is actually only going to work for a very small garden. I found it helpful to use a couple sticks or whatever I can get my hands on to try to keep the hose in place. And I use one type of little plastic fastener and a metal one right here. And I think you'll find this is going to be necessary to keep the hose in place. And I also use an automatic timer, and you can see it's hooked up right here and in operation. These are typically very simple to operate, and I like automating everything for those hot summer August days. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, everybody.